French cuisine, 10 must-try dishes you can't miss. Hello, and welcome to Smart English Start. This is your go-to channel for learning English while exploring the world. In this special series, we're traveling across the globe to discover must-try foods from different countries. Today, we're heading to France, a country known for its exquisite flavors, rich sauces, and culinary artistry. Let's explore some of the most iconic and delicious French dishes that you absolutely need to try. Theme 1. The Essence of French Cuisine. French cuisine is all about technique, quality ingredients, and elegant presentation. Butter, cream, wine, and fresh herbs are commonly used to create some of the world's most refined dishes. A major part of French food culture is regional diversity. From buttery pastries in Paris to seafood-rich dishes in the South, every region has its own specialties. French dining is also centered around leisurely meals, wine pairings, and appreciation of food as an art. Now let's explore the must-try dishes when visiting France. Theme 2. Famous French dishes and where to eat them. Coq au vin, a slow-cooked dish of chicken braised in red wine with mushrooms and bacon. The best versions are found in Burgundy, where the dish originated. Boeuf Bourguignon, a rich beef stew cooked in red wine with carrots, onions, and mushrooms. It's another specialty of Burgundy. Ratatouille, a vegetable medley of eggplant, zucchini, and peppers, slow-cooked with herbs and olive oil. Best enjoyed in Provence. Bouillabaisse, a fragrant fish stew made with saffron and a variety of seafood. The best place to try it is in Marseille. Cassoulet, a slow-cooked white bean stew with sausage and duck confit, best enjoyed in Toulouse. Croissant Pain au Chocolat. These buttery, flaky pastries are best experienced in Parisian bakeries. Foie Gras, a delicacy made from duck or goose liver, often served with toast and fig jam. The most authentic versions come from Dordogne. Quiche Lorraine, a savory custard pie filled with cheese, bacon, and eggs, best found in Alsace-Lorraine. Tarte Tatin, a caramelized upside-down apple tart originating from Loire Valley. Crème Brûlée, a creamy vanilla custard topped with a crisp caramelized sugar crust. It's widely available throughout France, especially in Paris. Each of these dishes showcases the artistry and depth of French cuisine, from rustic home cooking to fine dining delicacies. Theme 3. Travel tips for food lovers. Visit local markets like Marché Bastille in Paris or Les Halles de Lyon for the freshest ingredients. Take your time. French meals are meant to be savored slowly. Pair your meal with a regional wine. Each French region has its own perfect wine pairings. Try a prix-fixe menu, a set menu that offers multiple courses for a great value. French bakeries open early. Get fresh pastries in the morning for the best taste. Let's learn English through food. Great food is a reason to travel, and learning English can make that experience even better. If you ever visit France, don't miss the chance to try these incredible dishes. They tell a story of tradition, technique, and love for food. And remember, the more you explore, the more you learn. So keep improving your English and get ready for your next food adventure. See you in the next episode where we'll explore Japan's legendary cuisine, including the world-famous sushi and more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow food lovers.